Welcome back to the cryptowrld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and let's get straight into the video. This right here is the 12-hour Bitcoin chart, and right now, Bitcoin is experiencing a small rejection from this level of resistance that I mentioned over the past few days. And of course, this level of resistance is coming into play at around 42,000 because we have this 38.2% Fibonacci level at around 42,000. And looking in the VPVR indicator, we have a decent cluster of volume coming into play at around 42,000. But obviously, for those of you that have been watching my Bitcoin update videos over the past few days, this is no surprise. And as for some other points of resistance to look out for, if we can see a strong break above 42,000, then our next significant level of resistance would be at the golden pocket, the most important Fibonacci level. And that is coming into play at around 44,500 up towards around 45,000. And of course, previously on the Bitcoin chart, we have seen a lot of resistance at that same sort of price range. And anything above that, I'll be looking towards around 48,000. So those are really the three most important levels of resistance in the immediate shorter term. But having this small rejection from this point of resistance does not delete those bullish reversal signals that I was talking about yesterday on the channel. Because if you're looking at this 12-hour Bitcoin chart, we still have the parabolic stop reverse indicator in the green. We also have an active bullish divergence still playing out and a bullish cross in the 12-hour Bitcoin MACD, which is still trending to the upside. So according to all three of these indicators, when you're talking about these shorter term bullish and bearish trends that normally last for around 1 to 3 weeks on average, as what we've seen over the past few months, technically speaking, it is very likely that the Bitcoin price is beginning another one of those shorter term bullish trends, simply based on multiple indicators and based on everything that we have seen over the past few months. But as I always say, an uptrend does not mean only bullish price action, because even in an uptrend, we see some bearish price action from time to time, just like how in a downtrend, we still experience some bullish price action here and there. But for the time being, while this red candle is still only a minor pullback from that point of resistance, this shorter term bullish reversal is technically still intact according to all of these indicators. And looking in the daily Bitcoin chart, specifically in the price oscillators, currently we do not have a lot of confirmation for Bitcoin entering into that shorter term bullish trend on the daily time frame. Like I said, we have already seen multiple confirmations on the 12-hour time frame, but on the daily time frame, we are still yet to see a bullish cross in the Bitcoin MACD. But currently we are getting a lot closer to it, and I'll be sure to keep you updated as soon as that happens. And looking in the daily Bitcoin RSI, we haven't exactly confirmed a significant uptrend, but what we've seen over the past 1 week is definitely a good start so far. And of course, when you're talking about the larger trends that we have seen over the past 3 months or so, technically speaking, this still remains a bullish trend on the daily time frame, forming higher lows and higher highs, unless the Bitcoin price sees a confirmed break below these lows, coming in at around 39,000 approximately. And over here on the 3-day Bitcoin chart, honestly, nothing has happened since yesterday. So if you're new to this channel and you want to know exactly what this chart means, definitely check out my last Bitcoin update video that I posted yesterday on the channel. And just giving you a quick update on the US stock market today, this right here is the Nasdaq 100 index on the daily time frame, and so far today we're seeing a bit of a pullback, but we are still trading above this very important level, which is the golden pocket, sitting at around 13.7k approximately. And the same goes for the daily RSI. We are still holding above this ascending line of support, which is good to see. But ideally, in order to actually play out this bullish inverse head and shoulders pattern, we need to see the Nasdaq 100 index continue to bounce back up towards around 15.3k over the next couple weeks or so, because right now the Nasdaq 100 index has not completed the right shoulder for this inverse head and shoulders pattern, which means this pattern has not been confirmed just yet. But something good to note is that during the correction over the past 3 weeks, the Nasdaq 100 index formed a couple gaps in the price action, and normally when you're talking about the stock market, these gaps almost always get filled, which means statistically speaking, it is more likely than not that the Nasdaq 100 index will come back up and fill those gaps, which means the potential completion of this inverse head and shoulders pattern, but only time will tell. And if you want to get bonus Bitcoin content throughout the day, make sure to follow me over on my Twitter, and the link to my Twitter is in the description down below and also in the pinned comment. And right beside the link to my Twitter, you can also find a link to my new Instagram, which I'll be posting more content over there very soon. But anyway, if you found this video useful or simply enjoyed this, please make sure to leave a like down below. And if you're new to the channel, you might as well subscribe with notifications turned on for more updates just like this every single day. And before you click off, if you are serious about making more money in crypto, whether or not prices are going up or down, then these two videos popping up right here on your screen are definitely for you to watch, because they can help you make that happen. But anyway, that is it for this update. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.